Tiffin Metal is a custom solutions provider serving the outdoor advertising and material handling industries. We also manufacture and sell Sentinel brand lockers and storage products. Tiffin Metal is a reliable engineering and manufacturing partner for our custom and OEM clients. Our custom fabricating strengths have no limits. Your idea is our challenge.
Tiffin Metal Products has been in business since 1903 with a very diverse product line throughout that time. Probably the mainstay has been the billboards. It still is a big, significant portion of our overall business today.
We're doing billboards, and that started back in the 30s with Henry Ford. So there was a unique problem with hurricanes, and the way billboard companies had to address it is they had to send crews out, take all the panels off of the head of the billboard, take them down, strap them to the base so that they wouldn't become projectiles. And that was an expensive proposition. When you stop and figure that you had 500 or 600 boards in an area, you had a lot of crews tied up for a lot of period of time. You only had so much notice in advance. So I met with the vice president of Clear Channel Outdoor out in Phoenix, and on a napkin we actually sketched out what this panelless billboard would look like, and went back to Tiffin and we developed it, sent them samples. Then we became the prime vendor to them, and they replaced everything in their market with panel-free.
We produce about half the billboards that are made in America today.
Many of Tiffin Metal's billboard parts, as well as other product parts, are cut to size on a Mazik laser, which offers both incredible speed and impeccable accuracy. Roll forming plays an important part in the company's production process. Shown here are standard billboard panels being manufactured.
There are many technologies used to form steel. A time-proven methodology is roll forming. We still use that today in a lot of our products, especially billboards. That particular product has, and our expertise in roll forming has segued into our ability to get into new markets, one of which is military fence posts. We're actually currently running an order which is roll formed, punched and painted and shipped to the government.
In the 1960s, Tiffin Metal Products was manufacturing a line of metal modular storage cabinets, which we primarily sold into schools, and this allowed us to segue into the locker business. And since 1976, we've been manufacturing our line of Sentinel security lockers, which includes visitor lockers, evidence lockers, personnel lockers, and any other type of custom locker product that might be required. And these units go anywhere from police departments, other law enforcement agencies, community buildings, federal agencies, swimming pools. We've had them in gyms, any place that there would be a use for a locker. We had a hockey locker that we were marketing, and basically the unit would go into a locker room and would help keep the equipment dry and odor out of the hockey room. Everything would be fully ventilated. We had a law enforcement sales representative that came in about 2000, 2001, and he was calling on police departments, and he was visiting their police locker rooms, and he realized, hey, these guys are in need of something similar to the hockey locker because they're having odor issues as well as some dampness issues with their body armor. So after speaking with our engineers at Tiffin Metal, back in about 2002, they developed what's known today as the airflow wardrobe locker, and it really just took off. And even today, it's still one of the most requested items that's going into new law enforcement buildings.
The thing that we like to pride ourselves in is we'll give you what you want versus, hey, buy what we have to sell you. And that has opened up a niche market for us.
The Salvagnini compact panel bender makes many of Tiffin Metal's locker parts. It reduces setups, increases quality, and improves lead time. Production is totally automatic. Operator intervention is only required for loading and unloading. The Salvagnini is a great addition to the company's traditional press brakes and other forming equipment. A state-of-the-art Fin Power CNC multiple tool punch press gets the job done better and faster because the material requires less handling. It can be set up to punch a variety of hole configurations and part sizes required for our Sentinel lockers and other products. The recent addition of the Trumpf TrueBend press brake allows for exceptionally quick setup and run times for smaller short-run parts. The addition of the Trumpf creates even more flexibility to Tiffin Metal's production capabilities.
We go to market quite different than many people, and what we try to do is go out and become a solutions company so that you have a problem, we want to help you fix it. The one product that was kind of interesting was the spiral chutes. We went back to the drawing board and made cardboard mock-ups and decided to build this thing. And it has turned out to be a very major player in our business. Very few people can do it properly. And then we have since developed a new product within that product line, which is a SST chute, which is a product that has a impregnated plastic with silicone, and the lubricity of it allows the packages to flow very quickly. And then we can accelerate or decelerate depending on what the need of the customer is.
The SST chute is customizable. It's more flexible than the steel chute or the fiberglass chute. It can be designed to any size with no restrictions on width, side guard, or pitch. Among all of Tiffin Metal's specialized welding capabilities, this flexible robotic work cell uses a programmed robotic arm to accurately position parts into a multi-head spot welder. These mini-load tote pans will be used to store parts in a large automated storage and retrieval system.
In addition to custom products, we also engineer, manufacture, and private label OEM products for our customers who require a turnkey solution. One of the companies that we have as a client is a software company who's evolved into manufacturing drawers and cabinets and other types of shelving that interfaces with their software, and in that relationship, they really view us as their engineering and manufacturing department. Some of our clients are larger manufacturers who don't efficiently produce smaller run quantities of products, and that's something that we do exceptionally well. Typically, we're talking 25 to 500 pieces. Usually they need the product customized, or there's some type of engineering involved, and it allows us to do what we do well and allow our clients, usually large manufacturers, to continue to do what they do well. We run prototypes for customers, and we also run products that can get in upwards of tens of thousands. Sometimes our production outpaces our customers' ability to receive product, and in those cases, we'll warehouse products for our customers and ship it to them as needed. We have a dedicated storage area, so when our clients require stocking, we have an area specifically set aside for those types of situations.
Parts travel approximately a quarter of a mile to receive a powder coat finish. Each part is cleaned in a 3-stage wash system and dried in preparation for a powder coat application in the company's new Nordson powder coating system. The new system improves flexibility by making quick color changes easy. It has an automated powder recovery system which improves efficiency and reduces waste. After powder is applied, parts are dried in a gas-fired furnace where temperatures reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the baked-on surface is cured, the result is an aesthetically pleasing, durable finish. Tiffin Metal's facility presently has over 110,000 square feet of floor space. Most of its products are assembled in a new 20,000 square foot assembly addition where experienced associates assure quality workmanship meets the customer's expectations.
Quality comes first.
Customers are the focus of everything we do.
Employee involvement is a must. Only a team can win.
Integrity is never compromised.